Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put a strap on MetaQuest 3S. The head strap is included in the box, and to put it in, first figure out which part is the left and which one is the right side. The left side should have this hole so it fits with the USB-C port. Put it in until it clicks, and then put the other one on the right side until it clicks as well. And now the last part is this top strap. You need to put it through this hole like that, and then pull it, and now you can put the headset on your head and adjust it by either adjusting these straps. You can pull them together or away. To pull them away, just hold like that on these two ends, and now you can pull it. And if it sits comfortably here, then just when it's on your head, you can adjust it like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.